everyone, let's begin with our book in this video, that is Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 4 by Certificate Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter, that is chapter number 10, Disappearing Woods. With increase of population in our earth, we have done what? We have done deforestation, that means cutting of woods. We have cut down so many forests around our environment in order to build houses, in order to develop a town, in order to build bridges, etc., in order to make roads pass through them. For our selfish means, we have ruined many forests nowadays, but it's time to awaken. Now in this chapter, they are telling you that increasing human population leads to pressure on land resources for human needs, and this has resulted in large scale deforestation across the world. Now they ask you that let us find out more about the forests that are no more or about to go extinct, जो कि गायब होने वाले हैं या फिर हम कह सकते हैं खत्म होने वाले हैं. So let's begin with it. The first one is Dash is the world's largest rainforest which is being destroyed by the deforestation, and the answer is Amazon rainforest. Then we have the second image, and this is of what? Green Islands, and they are of Philippines, and they are devastated due to the logging contracts. Now they are converted to pineapple plantation. Next we have the third image of Indonesia. It is the rainforest in Indonesia, and they are disappearing at high rates due to the industrial palm oil production and logging. Then we have the fourth image, and this is of coppice woods, COPPICE, coppice woods, and they are in Europe. They are largely disappearing due to what? Due to the abandonment of traditional management after the 20th century. Then we have the fifth one. The fifth is the northeastern states of India, and they account for a large portion of India's total tree cover loss from 2001 to 2023. So this was all about this page. Let's now move further. The sixth image is of what? The West Africa. West Africa has lost 90% of its forest cover in the last 50 years. The main reasons for this destruction has been what? Logging for timber, use of firewood as a domestic fuel, then animal rearing, and clearing the land for cultivation of food crops. So these are the some of the reasons due to which cutting of trees or deforestation has taken place in West Africa. Let's now move on to the next topic, that is your answer please. And this is a question for you children. It says state the factors responsible for deforestation. So this answer you have to do on your own. Let's now move to the green master part. And this green master part, this is a question for you children. You have to do this question as a homework on your own. Another interesting topic, this is again related to the forest. This quiz is about the forest. You have to read the given question and answer the same. They have given you the help desk for this, and You can check the spellings here. So this was all about the B question. Let's now do the quick fact. It says animals are the key to afforestation of denuded forest. A forest can recover to mature tree level in 65 years. So this was all about the quick fact. I hope you have understood the chapter. Please do the question. Please do the answer your question. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.